Hello mga Kalendi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga Kalendi, tayo ay may gala. Educational tour kasama ang students and teachers of St. Vincent Learning Academy in Santa Maria, Bulacan. And of course, serviced by NST Travel and Tours. Kaya samahan niyo ako mga Kalendi for today's video. And we are here on bus number 2. And of course, together with our coach cutting boots. And for our first destination is the Mines Park Museum Science Discovery, located here in Ayala Malls, Parañaque City. At ito nga, paakit na tayo ng 5th floor kung saan located ang Mines Park Museum. Mines Park Museum is the largest interactive science museum in the Philippines. It features over 30 themed rooms with hands-on exhibits designed to teach science concepts through play and exploration, including walk-through models of the human heart and AI-powered robotics.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome to the biggest, oldest, and most interactive science museum here in the Philippines, Mines Park. So I have here a short video.
Mines Park Museum offers an immersive and educational experience for all ages, with themed areas focused on topics like physics, technology, and nature. It is under PAEC, or Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation, a Philippine organization focused on creating and operating educational and tourism attractions. Off to our second destination. And for our next destination, our second destination is the Teus Mansion. It is a historical residence situated in San Miguel, Manila, previously owned by Valentin Teus Irizarry, a Spanish businessman. In 1974, First Lady Imelda Marcos acquired the mansion from Teus' daughter, Concepcion, and restored it as a guest house. Since the People Power Revolution of 1986, the mansion has belonged to the government of the Philippines but remained closed to the public. In 2023, Teus Mansion underwent renovations, overseen by First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos, and has now opened to the public as the new Presidential Museum, showcasing artifacts and memorabilia from the past presidents of the Philippines. Kung napansin ninyo mga Kalendi, puro pictures lang ang meron tayo dito sa museum. Kasi they are not allowing to take videos. Kaya for the picture lang tayo. Go, go, go! And for our last destination, of course, Enchanted Kingdom! So everyone mga Kalendi, that's it for today's video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating naging field trip gala. So everyone mga Kalendi, please like and share this video. And please comment na rin para maganda ang ating bandingan. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-notify ko kayo on my next vlog. So everyone mga Kalendi, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!